How to see Spotify Wrapped. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Spotify and make sure the Spotify application is updated to its latest version. Now, go ahead and open your preferred browser. For now, I will open Google. Now, in the search bar, search for Spotify Wrapped 2025 and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there from the official Spotify website. Once opened, you will see the Open App option there, so tap on the Open App option you see there on the top right of your screen. With this, the official Spotify app will be opened, and now on the top of your screen, you will be able to see the Wrapped option there. So tap on the Wrapped option there and you will be able to see your Wrapped Spotify list. So tap on the Let's Go option you see there and now you're into your Spotify Wrapped. You can now go ahead and view your top songs, your top artist. You can also see your listening personality, your audio day, and top journers and the minutes that you have listened and special Wrapped playlists specially designed for you. So this was about how you can see Spotify Wrapped. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.